Everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video test, the Umidigi 1 Max front-facing video 1080p. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds, the visual and audio quality. And then in a couple minutes, we're going to switch to the rear, shoot some video in 1080p. I'll edit both videos together, and you can let me know how everything looks and how everything sounds from the front and the rear of the Umidigi 1 Max. Shout out to Jay Will, Donovan for their coverage on the Umidigi 1 Max. Been doing my homework by watching those videos. I'll leave a couple links down below in the description area so you can check those out as well. Donovan mentioned there's an app at the Play Store, Open Camera, that will actually help better the experience on the Umidigi 1 Max. As far as the rear cam when shooting video, it tends to be a bit choppy. The audio quality, a little teeny, a little robotic. So most likely the cameras on the rear are going to be the weakest area of this device. And I can actually see that in Jay Will's review of this device that, yeah, it's not the best. So hopefully Open Camera helps if you want to see some coverage as far as utilizing that app from the Play Store. Let me know down below. I can do that. We do have EIS, electronic image stabilization. It should help some of that choppiness in the, when shooting video from the rear, but we'll see how that all pans out. But right now, let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. As far as the audio quality, you can always utilize a mic, plug it in, and it's definitely going to sound a lot better. So let's go ahead and switch to the rear cam and shoot some video back there in 1080p. All right, we are back with the Umidigi 1 Max rear video 1080p. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. Utilizing a mic, plugging it in is probably going to be your best bet when it comes to audio quality from what you are hearing right now. Little teeny, little robotic. So you want a better experience as far as the audio quality. That's what I would do. Visually, we're going to try Open Camera from the Play Store. If you want me to do a video test with that camera app, let me know down below in the comment section. But you know what? Yeah, it's a little bit choppy, but it's pretty darn clear. It looks great. EIS is on, so it doesn't seem like it's doing the job that it needs to do. But I've seen worse. So hopefully Open Camera helps out with smoothing out the video a bit. Still have to test battery life. Doing that today, actually. I'll be getting a screenshot later on this evening. Performance functionality, doing good. Dual speakers, sounding really good. The 720 display is probably the best highlight of this smartphone. It is beautiful. 720, and it is vivid. It is sharp. Totally digging watching movies and videos, and yes, listening to music with the dual speaker setup. So totally enjoying that. Phone call quality, really good actually. But I actually lost some phone calls, and I didn't know what was going on, and I decided to finally take my SIM card out of the SIM 1 and put it over to SIM 2, because you got two options there, SIM 1, SIM 2. The thing is, the SD card has to be removed to utilize the SIM 2 spot, the SIM tray, which is too bad. But you have 128 gigs of storage on board, so that's a lot of storage. So overall, that's not a bad deal, okay? Because now I'm not losing any phone calls utilizing SIM 2 in the SIM tray area, and I don't know why that's the way it's working for me, because typically I get really great connectivity here with T-Mobile where I live. So I'm a little shocked that was happening. For any of you out there, depending on where you live, connectivity may be just fine utilizing SIM 1, but I got SIM 2 going on, and that's where I'm at with that. And phone call quality is really good to great. and now I'm not losing phone calls, and that's what's important. So, um, outside of that, just using the Umidigi One Max and enjoying it ever since Jay Will sent it out to me because he did a giveaway and I happened to win, and so it's giving me a chance to finally review an Umidigi smartphone. All right, there you go. Front, rear, you let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Peace. God bless. I am out.